Welcome to our series of how to maintain your Titan Pro garden machinery. Before carrying out any work, please ensure the engine is switched off and the spark plug is disconnected. Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install a flail hammer kit on the petrol chipper from Titan Pro. The first thing to do is to remove the side chute. For this, you need a 30mm socket on a ratchet and undo the 4 nuts. For the 4th nut, you may need an extension. I find it easier using a spanner. So the next task is to remove the top hopper. You'll need a 10mm spanner and the same 30mm socket on the ratchet. There are 4 bolts to undo on each corner. Repeat this for the 2 remaining bolts and remove the hopper. So now you can see your flail hammers. Take the 3mm punch and a hammer and gently drift them out. So now the roll pin's out, you can take a screwdriver to lever the centre pin out. Make sure you take note of the spaces on the axis because they are different on each one. Get it in the side, lever it out, and be ready to catch each spacer and hammer as you pull the pin up. There we are, there's the axis pin removed. Right, so now you've got your old flail hammers out, get your new flail hammer kit, locate the axis pin, slide it into the hole, and then install the spacers in the reverse order that you took them out. And there's the flail hammers installed. So now you've got your new flail hammer kit installed. Take the new roll pin. I always just slightly crush one end to make it easier to install, but make sure you keep it round. And then get a pair of long nose pliers and just gently push it into the hole so you can start tapping it in with a large punch. So once you've just pressed it in place, get a larger punch than before and tap it home. Just leave 1 or 2 mil of the roll pin sticking out. Repeat these steps for any flail hammers that may need replacing. Reinstall the top hopper, the side chute, and you're good to go. To purchase any spares for our Titan Pro garden machinery, please follow the link below.